Hey guys, and the next series of videos will be a general service for our Tata Tiago and Tigor vehicle. Where we will be changing the engine oil, which is a 5W30. So, it is the recommended one. It comes with a 3.5 liters, and which, as my vehicle is too old, we will be using the engine oil flush for it. Okay, then we'll be changing the oil filter and the air filter, which in this video will be targeting, and also the gas struts for the boot, and also air filter, which I haven't changed since when I bought the car. So first, in this video, let's see on how to change the air filter. So during my last service, actually I didn't change it. I just cleaned it off using air compressor. So I thought of in this service I would properly change the air filter. So actually it is easy to remove. So you just need a 8 mm T-rod, so that you can easily remove all the bolts in it. So these tools actually you can get it from local market, where it will be just below 100 rupees. So 10 mm and 8 mm will do it. So once you open the cap, you can just easily remove the air filter. As you could see, it is darker because it's been a long time, so it became in this color. Okay, so coming by the air filter box, you have to just clean the box thoroughly so that no dust goes in. So as you could see, this is the throttle body. So this grease actually is because of petrol, which is coming back from the engine combustion chamber. So this is the air filter, which is from a brand called Purolator. So it is actually a renowned brand. So I got this one from Woodmore for a cost of 270. So right now I think it's been increased, to be honest. So as you could see the side by side comparison between the two. So this is how it looks. So changing the air filter to service once is preferable. That's how you replace an air filter in a Tata car. So cars which are having 1.2 cylinder engine before 2020 will be the same process. Also, if you got some time, you can remove the complete air filter unit and clean it. So that's pretty much it from this video, guys. So more videos on how to change the oil filter and the AC filter will be coming on next. So for that, you just need to subscribe and follow our channel so that you can see all the videos.